right, you've made it to day 8 of the Qdrant Essentials course, and now it's time to bring everything that we did together to your final project. Now, using Qdrant Cloud, you're going to build a documentation search engine for any corpus of data that you choose. It can be a specific framework documentation or your own internal documentation if that's publicly available. Or even to get started quickly, you can use the Qdrant documentation as well. Now, the objective is simple. Given a user query, the system should retrieve the most relevant page and section along with enough context from the point for the user to be able to click through and continue reading. So the chunk text and also any URLs that you have available for the user to continue reading through the documentation page that they want. You're going to implement the whole thing into a single Jupyter notebook, and you're going to include both the ingestion and also the retrieval part. And you're also going to report some evaluation metrics so that we make sure that your documentation is being retrieved properly and answering the user query in a way that is accurate. You're going to have freedom to choose any chunking strategies that you want, as well as embedding models and other decisions on the architecture that you feel like makes the most sense for the dataset that you have and the results that you want to achieve. Read the instructions below for more details on project structure and also how to submit your project. And once your project has been reviewed by our team, you're going to officially receive your certificate of completion for the Qdrant Essentials course. Thank you so much for joining us in this journey, and have fun building your final project.